going to practice both methods. So we'll do that one where we take away one and then add up the digits in the product. And then we'll also do the finger one. Okay? So right now, when you get your paper, I want you to get your name at the top. And then pencils right back down, please. Name at the top, pencils down. I'll know you are ready to move on when you're back in STAR. Thank you, Mariah, for doing that quickly. Should be on the side that just has the digits. Okay, we'll do the story problems in just a second. Right now you should be on the side that has the digits. I want you to track your We Do box. It should look just like the one up here on the board. First problem that we are going to do is 9 times 2. Alright, I need you back in STAR in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Alright, 9 times 2. So remember, we're going to do that first method that we learned in the video. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that other factor that's not a 9, and I'm going to take away 1 in my head. So 2, take away 1 in your head, is what, class?
1.
1. Now I need to think, for my other digit, 1 plus what would equal 9? Take some time in your head right now. 1 plus what would equal 9? Darius? 8. Very good. Show me with your signs. Do you agree with Darius? 1 plus 8 equals 9. So 2, or 9 times 2, class, is? 18. Very good. Write it down. Write it down. 9 times 2 is 18. And we're going to do one more like this, one more, and then we're going to go back to the finger method because that's the best. That's the most fun. Okay, so let's do 10 times 9. Track 10 times 9 right here. And if I take 1 away from that 10, what am I at? I take 1 away from that 10. What am I at, Alexia?
9.
9, very good. And then 9 plus what number would equal 9? 9 plus what number would equal 9? Show me with your fingers. 9 plus what number would equal 9? Very good, and 100% participation from Group 1. Thank you, Group 1. So, a 0 should be added onto there. 10 times 9 is what, class?
90.
90, very good. And a quick review from yesterday. Okay, so we got to switch modes back to yesterday. To our tens rule. What was our tens rule? Because I see a 10 as one of my factors, and we learned a rule yesterday that when we're doing 10 times a number, all we need to do is what? What is that rule? Alan? Add a 0, right? So we put the 9, we put the other factor there, and then add a 0. So you could also use your tens rule for that. Very good. All right. We are going to do 4 times 9 together as a class, and then I'm going to have you do some with a partner. Okay, so right now, 4 times 9, we're going back to the finger method. Everyone's hands up. Everyone hands up. Both. And Miracus, do I start on my left or do I start on my right?
Your left.
Your left, okay? So let's count. 4 fingers over. 1, 2, 3, 4. That finger goes down. Now I'm going to count how many fingers are to the left of this down finger. How many fingers are over here? How many fingers are over there, Alexia?
3.
3. Write it down. Write it down. Then get those hands back up. We got 3. Now we got to count. How many are down to the right? So I've got to count this finger. Don't leave off this finger, okay? Because this one's down. So I count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write it down. 4 4 times 9 is what, class?
36!
Very good. All right, listen closely to these directions. Here's what you are going to do. You are going to use the finger method for all 3 of the next problems. Okay? I want the window partner, and I'll put a W next to this. Window partner, you are going to solve that one on your own. Door partner, you are going to solve that one on your own using the finger method. Okay? Then you are going to share with your partner. So you're going to take about 20 seconds. You're going to work on your own. Window partner 9 times 7, door partner 8 times 9. And then I will let you know in about 20 seconds when I want you to share with your partner. Okay? Go. Remember, we've got those hands up. We've got a star on our left. You count that many fingers. Put that finger down. Then how many fingers are to the left of the down finger? Write it down. How many fingers are to the right? We're having a little bit of trouble. A lot of people were just a little bit off. Okay, so we're all going to do this together. Okay, we're going to do these together, and then we'll check our work and find out, okay, where did we make a little mistake? Okay, so let's all get our hands up. Let's all get our hands up. First key is, some of you, I saw you doing this, like this, and then counting like this. Hands got to be like this. Okay, so everyone needs their hands up. Now remember, just like you read, when you were reading a book, you would start on your left, and then you're going to read this way. Same thing with your fingers. You're going to start on your left, and then you're going to go this way. You have how many fingers, class?
10.
10. Okay, 10. So we're going to put our 7th finger down. So what I want you to do is, when you count this, I just want you to wiggle your finger like 1, 2,